Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is the day off and that's why I will trade on OTC charts. Because guys, on weekends only OTC charts are available. And also one more thing which is good about OTC charts is that technical analysis is quite applicable to them. So today we'll work on support and resistance levels and we will try to make a very good profit today. And if you are new to my channel, guys, I have plenty of videos on my channel where I trade with different indicators, where I trade on days off. So guys, you really should watch other videos if you will enjoy this one, because I have a lot of information here about how I trade if you're interested in it. And so guys, this is the time when we have to find the first entry point. Okay guys, I'll explain to you this situation, but first of all, I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal to go down. Since we have a support level at the bottom here, we'll now set horizontal line along the lower values of these candles. And guys, this is our level of support. We also see that recently the price has been moving down in waves, that is, the main price highs have been getting lower. And at the moment there was some kind of tightening of this level, and just at the time of the opening of the deal, the price went beyond the level, that is, the breakdown of the support level had already begun. And it is precisely on this moment, on the downward movement, on the breakdown of the level, that we will try to make money. Guys, it is likely that we will get into the impulsive downward movement of the price itself at the very moment of breaking through the level. Guys, as a rule, in 1 minute is quite enough in such situations. And so guys, I think let's wait for the outcome. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Okay guys, that's great. As you can see, the price has indeed continued to move down. The support level has been broken and we got a profit here. Okay, at the same time, 1 minute was enough for us, guys. I have correctly predicted a further movement of the chart. It is this trading situation that tells us that in most cases they are still doing a good job themselves. And so guys, let's continue our trading session. Here guys, we also have a resistance level at the top. The price touched the level several times, and at the moment there is a downward pullback. This is where I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal to go down. And guys, as we see that the price has moved away from this zone several times and has moved down quite confidently. So this time, after touching this level, the price fell into the correction zone. For sure, this time there will be a pullback down, and it is precisely on this moment that we will try to make money. And since the price has started to move quite impulsively lately, I think that 1 minute here will be quite enough for us. And guys, let's observe the price and wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Great guys, it's not bad. As you can see, the downward movement has continued and we got the profit here. 1 minute was just enough for us. The price really continues to move in the correction zone, and I was able to correctly predict the further movement of the chart. Well guys, everything is going great, so let's continue. So guys, so we can see the support level here at the bottom. We also see that at the moment the price is moving down and approaching our level. Also, at the same time, the main price highs become lower. That is, the price has a good potential for decline. I suggest guys to open a deal here with 3 minute margin to go down on a downtrend just at the moment. There has been an upward pullback and this is a good entry point. Guys, for sure the price will turn around in the near future and continue to move along the general downtrend. Guys, it is on this downward movement that we will try to make money, on the convergence of the price with the level. So let's wait for the outcome. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, it's not bad. The downward movement continued, and as you can see, The support level was also broken. Here we got gorgeous and confident profit. Guys, as you can see, 3 minutes was just enough for us here, and the trading situation has worked out perfectly well. Everything is going great. So my dear traders, let's continue. Alright, here we see the resistance level. We also see that there is an uptrend going on at the moment. The price is moving up and approaching our level. At the same time, there's still room to reach the resistance level. We also see that the main price lows are getting higher. This means that the price has a good potential to go up. Okay, this is where I suggest open a deal for 3 minutes to go up on the overall uptrend, guys. For sure, the price will continue to move up to this level, and it is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. So, at the same time, I chose the time of 3 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible consolidation. So, yeah, just the moment we see that the price is moving in the consolidation zone, and of course, it is likely that in the near future it will still continue to move in this area, and only then will there be an exit from this consolidation zone, and the movement towards the level will continue. So, that's why we chose such time, guys. And as my trading experience tells me, in such situation, in most cases, such time will be enough. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, after consolidation zone, a slight downward pullback happened and the upward movement continued. So the price continued to move towards the level, and 3 minutes was perfect for us, guys. The most important thing is that we have managed to make money on this movement today. As you can see, in most cases, such trading situations still work out well. And so, my dear traders, we can see that there was some kind of attenuation because the price has reached the level. And I will observe the price a little here, and let's see what happens next here, because maybe I will open the next deal here. Alright guys, here I just opened a deal for just 1 minute to go down, because we see that there has been a reaction from the resistance level. That is, there has been some kind of attenuation. As such, there was no breakout, but on the contrary, red candlesticks began to form. Okay guys, this means that it is more likely that a reaction will occur from the resistance zone and a pullback will occur in the opposite direction. Guys, it is on this downward corrective movement that we will try to make money here. As a rule, in such situation, 1 minute is also quite enough. I hope that this time we will have time to work on this possible downward movement. Well, let's watch the price and wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, as you can see, the price moving quite slowly, but still the closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point, which means that we are making a profit. Okay, in fact, I have managed to earn on this corrective movement, and also we can see that after the correction, green candles began to form, meaning the price continues to move up again, and it's likely that this level will be fully broken in the near future, guys. Therefore, here I will open a deal for just 1 minute to go up on the uptrend. That is, right now we are going to try to make money by breaking through the resistance level. As a rule, even in such situations, 1 minute is quite enough, guys. It is quite possible that I will get into the impulsive upward movement of the price itself at the very moment of breaking through the level. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, that's pretty good. As you can see, the upward movement has continued and we got the profit here. I have correctly managed to predict the further movement, and this once again confirms that all these trading situations are periodically repeated in the market, guys. In most cases, they work out about the same way. And as you can see, guys, I have accurately managed to predict several deals in a row on this currency pair. First, we worked on bringing the price closer to the level, then we worked on the correction from the resistance level, and after the correction, guys, we were working on breaking through the same level. At all the stages, guys, everything worked out amazing. I got the profit, and yeah, that's why it's so crucial and important to trade as much as you can. Only this way you'll be able to accumulate your own trading experience. So my dear traders, on this, let's continue our trading session. Alright guys, here we see the resistance level. We also see that there has been a downward pullback from the level, and after pullback the price turned around and is approaching our level again. We can see that confident green candles have been forming recently. We also see that the main price lows are getting higher. Guys, this means that the price has a good potential to increase. That's why I'm opening 1 minute deal to go up here. Just at the moment, the price is already starting to go beyond the level. This means that it is more likely that this level will be breached. And it is on this possible upward movement that we will try to make money here. Guys, it is also likely that I will get into an impulsive upward price movement at the very moment of breaking through the level. And yeah, even such time will be enough for such situation. So guys, let's wait for the outcome. Alright guys, as you can see, there was no impulsive movement as such. The price stopped, but still, the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. Guys, which means that we got the profit on this deal. Yeah, the time we chose was enough for us. And the most important thing is that we got the profit. Let's continue, guys. So here I decided to open the next deal here on the same currency pair after some time, because we see that after the pullback from the level there was a reversal, and at the moment green candlesticks are starting to form again. Guys, it is likely that this time in the near future this level will be fully broken. Impulsive green candles are just beginning to form. I'm opening 1 minute deal to go up. It is likely that this time I will get into the most intense upward price movement, and it is on this movement, on breaking through the level, that we will try to make money. I hope that 1 minute here will be enough, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, it's not bad. As you can see, after the pullback, the upward movement continued again, and we got the profit here. Nevertheless, the uptrend continues to exist. Guys, as such, the level did break through. The price went beyond its limits and gained foothold above the level. This means that our technical analysis was correct, and of course, the most important thing is that we managed to got the profit. Guys, let's continue. Alright, in this case, I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal to go down, as we see that the price has pushed off from this level and red candlesticks have begun to form. Guys, right now, at the moment, the price has entered the correction zone, and it is more likely that the price will move down in the near future. It is on this downward corrective movement that we will try to make money. I think that 1 minute here will be quite enough for us, guys, and since the price has rebounded from the level and red candles are mainly forming, we will try to make money, guys, on this moment. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. So, not bad, guys. The price really continued to move down, and we got the profit here. I have accurately managed to predict further movement of the chart, and as you can see, the price has really pushed off from this resistance level. It was on this downward movement that we managed to make money. So everything's going great. Let's continue, guys. Okay guys, here we can see the resistance level up here, and we also see that an uptrend is forming at the moment. The price is moving up and approaching our level, and at the same time there is still room to reach the resistance level. So just the moment, there has been a slight downward pullback. Therefore, here I suggest to open a deal, guys, for 5 minutes to go up, following the overall uptrend. For sure, after the rollback, the price will continue to move up to the resistance level. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money, guys. I think 5 minutes will be enough, even considering the possible consolidation. Now let's watch the price and wait for the end of our deal. Okay, great, guys. The movement to the level has continued. There was also a reaction from the resistance level. There was a pullback down. Guys, we still managed to earn on this upward movement today. 5 minutes was enough for us, and this trading situation worked out perfectly, guys. So let's continue our trading session. Okay, guys, here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. At the same time, there is a resistance level at the top. At the moment, the price has reached our level and there is some kind of tightening. This means that it is likely that this level will be broken in the near future, guys. Here, I will open a deal for just 1 minute to go up. Perhaps I will get into the impulsive upward movement of the price itself, that is at the very moment of breaking through the level. And you already know that in similar situations, 1 minute is also quite enough. Guys, I think that this will happen in the near future because we see that the price has a great potential to increase and there is a clear tightening. So yeah, I still hope that we will have time to work on this possible upward movement. So as you can see, there was a slight downward pullback, but after that the upward movement continued and green candlesticks formed. As you can see, the resistance level has been breached. It is on this movement that we have managed to earn, guys. The most important thing here is that we have made a profit, guys. We already have $7,000 on my deposit. Well, I think it's amazing because, guys, my strategy works. So we have a level of support from below. We can also see that the downtrend is forming at the moment. The price is moving down quite confidently and is approaching our level. Also, there is still room to reach the support level. In this case, I suggest to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, following the overall downtrend. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is on this downward movement, on the convergence of the price with the level, that we will try to make money. Guys, since we see that the price has been moving down with rather impulsive candles lately, I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough here, even taking into account possible consolidation. So let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, it's not bad. The downward movement continued, and as you can see, the support level was broken. Here I got a great and steady profit. Guys, the price has really great downward potential, and I was able to correctly predict the further movement of the chart. Well, in the meantime, I already have $10,000, 10,000 actually, $665 on my deposit. Guys, it's amazing result. As you can see, even trading on OTC charts when it's days off, it's totally possible and it's totally worth it. So guys, as you can see, my strategy works really well because we were able today to get a really good profit, guys. And also this once again proves that, guys, in fact, all the trading situations periodically repeated on the market. So if desired, they can always be found and you can earn on them, guys. So try to look for similar situation in the market, guys, train on them, try, and you will see that only with the experience you will be able to earn. Don't take your losses as something which is going to finish your trading career without even starting it. Better try to learn from them. Where did you do mistake? What could you do better? Also, if it was profitable, also try to analyze it, guys, because this is so crucial and you will be able to accumulate your own experience, and only with the time you will be able to see that your trading path is actually working. So yeah, ups and downs is just normal thing in any sphere, guys. So for the newbies, I really advise you to get into my closed community, guys. Well, how you can get in there? Super easy. Just text me code word signal on my Telegram and then I will be able to add you to this group. Also, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this trading session. If yes, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also, subscribe to this channel for more videos about trading. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.